Tired of the endless mess in your Dodge Ram 1500? Scattered tools, rolling gear, and cluttered essentials can turn your ride into chaos. But don't worry, we've got the perfect solution. Underseat storage compartments help you reclaim your space, keeping everything organized, secure, and within reach. In this video, we'll explore the best underseat storage options, breaking down their durability, design, and functionality. The links to each product are in the video description, so be sure to check them out. Now, let's dive into the top 3 underseat storage compartments available. The Rough Country Underseat Storage Solution is designed for those who need an efficient way to organize their truck's interior without sacrificing space. Made from high-density thermoplastic, it offers long-lasting durability while protecting your gear from daily wear and tear. Its anti-skid surface prevents shifting during rough rides, ensuring your tools and essentials remain secure. This custom-fit storage compartment blends seamlessly with your truck's interior, giving it a factory-like appearance. Installation is simple and quick, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a hassle-free organization solution. Plus, Rough Country backs their product with a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind for the long haul. The Husky Liners gearbox is a high-capacity underseat storage solution that allows you to store and organize your gear like a pro. Constructed from a tough, chemical-resistant material, it is built to withstand heavy use while keeping your tools and accessories protected. The anti-skid surface prevents items from moving around, ensuring everything stays in place even during bumpy rides. Designed to give your truck's interior a sleek and factory-like appearance, this storage unit fits neatly under the back seat. Made with pride in the USA and backed by a lifetime guarantee, the Husky Liners gearbox is a reliable option for truck owners who need extra storage with a touch of style. The DUHA underseat storage system is perfect for those who need a versatile storage solution with additional firearm storage capabilities. Made from heavy-duty polyethylene, it provides a sturdy and durable storage space while keeping your tools and gear well organized. One of its standout features is its ability to hold up to 2 rifles or shotguns, one with a scope, though local firearm storage laws should be checked. This storage solution installs quickly, usually in under 10 minutes, making it a practical and efficient way to manage your truck's interior space. Each of these underseat storage solutions offers unique benefits, from Rough Country's durability and anti-skid surface to Husky Liners' large capacity and sleek design, and DUHA's firearm storage capabilities. Choosing the best one depends on your specific needs, whether it's maximizing storage space, ensuring items remain secure, or having a dedicated compartment for firearms. Don't forget to check the product links in the video description to find the perfect underseat storage for your Dodge Ram 1500. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and truck accessories insights. Thanks for watching.